So in today's video, we're gonna make crispy sago patties or sabudana vada. This is very authentic yet very delicious recipe. Crispy from outside and softer from inside. This is the perfect snack for food lovers. This is a very tasty and delicious recipe which is really easy to make. So without wasting time, let's start this easy and tasty recipe. To make sabudana vada or sago patties, here we have sago or sabudana, which is of good quality. Quality of sabudana or sago is very important. So firstly, transfer this 1 cup of sago in a bowl. Now we have to wash them with water. Wash twice or thrice through water. Washing these sagos twice or thrice is very important to get rid of excess starch present with sago. Our sago is completely washed. Now it's time to soak them for overnight. If you don't have time for overnight soaking, you can soak it for at least 2 to 3 hours. Now cover it and let it rest for about overnight or 8 hours. After 8 hours or overnight, you can see our sagos are completely soft, and as you can see, they absorb all the moisture they have. This bloom sago is looking like bulge. The main part of this soaked sagos is they are completely meshy from inside, which is really required for the crispiness and taste of our sabudana vada or sago patties. So transfer this in a plate. Now it's time to add the spices. So firstly we add chopped coriander. Coriander is very essential to give freshness to our patties. Here we have a handful of chopped coriander, 2 green chilies which is finely chopped, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon salt. You can also adjust the quantity. Half teaspoon black salt. This is very good for health. Half teaspoon chaat masala powder and half teaspoon cumin seeds, which is very good for sabudana vada. Now mix all the spices and coriander and green chilies to the sago. Mixing them all in sago is very important to give flavor to all the sagos. Now it's time to add roasted peanuts. So here I have 1/4 cup of roasted peanuts from Haldiram. These peanuts are key ingredient to our sabudana vada or sago patties. Coarsely grind them. Don't make a fine powder. Mix them really well. Now it's time to give binding to our sago. To bind them all, here I am using boiled potato. So here I am using 2 medium-sized boiled potato. Just mash them slightly. Mix them all really well. So other ingredients. And our dough for sabudana vada or sago patties is completely ready. You can see the consistency. Now our last ingredient is lime juice or lemon juice. Here I am using 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix them all really well. And our sago patties dough is completely ready. Now it's time to make sago patties. So firstly prepare a small lemon-sized ball out of this dough. You can adjust the size of this ball according to you. To make the patties, take them in a palm and press just slightly. Our sago patties is ready. You can see slightly thin from corners and thick from center. This is the perfect shape of our sago patties. You can see. Now it's time to fry them all. To fry the sago patties, here I have preheated oil. To check the oil temperature, firstly take some dough, just fry it, and as you can see, our dough is bubbling, so our oil temperature is completely good. So remove this ball and it's time to fry our sago patties. Don't add too much of sago patties at once, otherwise it will stick. So add 5 to 6 sago patties in that oil. Fry them until it becomes golden brown and crispy. Remove them on a kitchen towel and fry rest of the sago patties likewise. Our sago patties or sabudana vada is completely ready. You can see the texture of this Sabudana Vada or Sago Patties. This is looking so tasty and it's looking so perfect. This is just market like Sabudana Vada.